Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add multiple videos onto one Instagram story. It is quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is head over to Instagram and find the option to add your story. It's in the top left corner. I was already on it, but go ahead and select that. Once you're here, you'll be able to scroll through your camera roll and pick out the ones you want. If you just do it this way, you'll just click one and you can only do one at a time. But if you want to do multiple, click select in the top right. From here, you can click more than one. So as you can see, these are all videos, and I could add them all together. I'll just do the first two, click that, and I can switch over to whichever one I would like. And I can edit them, do whatever I need to, and then click the arrow whenever I'm ready. And then you could click share whenever you want to do that. And that's how you would add more than one video onto your Instagram story. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.